Hi everyone, this is the project we're going to be working on today. It's a very cute flower that you can use for earrings or other type of decoration. This is how it looks like if you make it with an acrylic yarn. And this one is made with a cotton yarn, which is a little bit thinner. So for this one I also used a slightly larger crochet hook, which is why it looks much bigger. Alright, let's begin. This is the type of yarn I'm going to use. I got it from Amazon. It's very good. It's not very stretchy, unlike some other types of yarn, like the acrylic yarns are quite stretchy. I find that this one is a little bit easier to see on videos, however, so that's why I'm going to do it with this cotton yarn. So let's begin. First step, let's make a magic ring and grab this yarn. And then just pull a loop. There's my magic ring. You can tighten it a little bit. From here we're going to do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to work 14 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn and pull it through until you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. So that's 1 double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. So that is my second double crochet. Let's keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So that's 14 double crochets. What we're going to do is take that tail end and just pull on it to close the ring. And then find that third chain, 1, 2, 3, and connect to it with a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, insert the hook into that third chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through this loop too. That's your slip stitch. Now, in order to begin the curvy parts of my flower, I'm going to do double crochets inside this next stitch right here. So the way it's going to work is yarn over, insert the hook into this next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through again until you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. That's your first double crochet. So if we take a look at the flower here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets. So let's go ahead and make 4 more. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same exact stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, and finish the double crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now that we've completed the 5 double crochets, I'm going to find the next stitch, which is right here. Insert the hook there, grab the yarn, pull it through, and complete the slip stitch. So that is one of my flower petals completed. Next, we're going to do 5 more double crochets into this next stitch right here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, and then complete the double crochet. 1, same thing, another double crochet into the same stitch, 2, 3, 4, and one more, 5. Now that I'm done with the 5 double crochets, I will insert the hook into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. And there is my second flower. Now we're going to find the next stitch, which is right here, and then make 5 double crochets into that stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then slip stitch into the next one. And that's where we are. To continue, we're going to make 5 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And just like before, let's make a slip stitch into the next one. Lots of more yarn because it's getting too tight. And let's continue. 5 more double crochets into the next stitch. And then slip stitch into the next one. Let's continue. Same exact pattern. 5 double crochets into the same stitch. And then slip stitch into the next one. So this is my last slip stitch into that very last chain, into that very last stitch. Let's cut the yarn, and now we have to do is now hide it in the back, for which I will use my crochet needle. Thread the yarn, and I'm going to hide it this way. Lost my thread, so I'm just going to thread it right back, and I think this is enough. I'm going to clip this tail end off, and this one will be hidden as well into those middle stitches. And once you've done it a few times, again, you can clip this one too. And there, we have a very cute flower, which you can spray with a little bit of fabric stiffener. If you like, you can attach some earring hooks to one of the petals and then make earrings, or beads, attach beads right in the middle. And yeah, it makes a very nice embellishment. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you with the next one. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.